Dear students, welcome you all in the class of the physiology, and the topic of the today's is about the how to select a book in the physiology, because this is the very common query among all the students, which book they have to refer for their university examination as well as PG entrance preparations. So means they have to select a book not only for the university examination but for the related PG and at par with the PG entrance preparations. So for that, if we talk about in physiology, basically there are two types of the books are available. One that as for the book which is written by the Indian author, and the second one book is written by the foreign authors. Now in India we are following the competency based medical education. There is a CBME system since 2019. So there are many good books are available from the Indian authors as per our examinations pattern, and it's derived from the foreign authors books. So first we will talk about the foreign authors, or we can say it is a international book, recommended international books in the physiology from the foreign authors. So that is a first is a Guyton, and the second one is a Gannon. Now if you first you should understand between the difference of this book between two books, Guyton and Gannon, because the Guyton is a textbook. Guyton is a textbook, while Gannon is a review book. So if you want to or prepare the topic thoroughly in depth, then you have to choose the Guyton. After completion of the topic, you just got them for the review purpose, then Gannon is the best. So basically there are many other books are also available from the foreign authors, or we can say international books like Sherwood Physiology, Bunn and Levy. Okay, there are many titles are available, Best and Taylor. But among all, the best and gold standard international books in the physiology are the Guyton and Gannon since many years. Okay. So if you go to the Guytons, then no other books you want to choose or refer as far as your MBBS study is concerned. But yes, it is a lengthy book. It is a lengthy book, so many a times students are not cope up with the, and many a times there is a problem of the medium also, and also there is a limited time with the first MBBS. So looking at this all the concern, if the students is referring the Guyton and preparing the notes from the Guyton, so for such students the Guyton is the best one. Along with for the review purpose, they can use the Gannon one. So the gold standard books in the physiology in the world, that is a Guyton and Gannon. There is no other choices. Okay. Now looking at the Indian scenario, because in India we are following the CBME based competency based medical educations. So basically again there are the many choices are available, and because of the many choices students are always confused, and in the different institute and the different teachers are recommend the different books, okay, as per their opinions. Okay, if anyone is suggesting the one book, then obviously there is a reasons. Okay, so one more things, there is no books is a complete in medical. There is no books is complete. You have to use the combination of the books. But yes, at least for your study purpose, for examination purpose, at least you should have one book for the theory and one book for the practicals. Other points which is not given in your books, that you can add from the others books, or you can take the notes or prepare the notes. Okay, and preparing the notes, and based on the preparation of the notes, and you can use the preparation for the university examination. This is one of the best technique in the medical school. but different student having the different strategy and different learning style. So it is up to the individuals which book they have to refer and which book which style they have to prefer. Okay, but as per our opinion and as per our experience, and also looking at the standard of the content, and looking at the next or NEET PG entrance examination preparations. So looking at all this scenario, we can suggest there are 3 Indian author books that can be used by the students, or can be used or selected by the students. The first one is a GK Pal Physiology. The second one is a Hindu Khurana Physiology, and third one is a AK Jain. So we can, or I can give the 3 choices. Now again, in the 3 choices, which book you have to select? So again there is a confusion. So based on this, now how to select from this one? So for example, which one is good? So you just select the one chapter, for example about the hemoglobin, and refer the hemoglobin chapter from all the 3 books, GK Pal, Hindu Khurana and AK Jain. And based on this, you can compare the presentations, style, content, graphics, pictures, graph, or any. Okay. Also you can take the one more chapter if you are confused again, then again read the same chapter from all the 3 different books. So you will get the idea which presentation you like, which graphics, which pages. There are many contents and technical terms. So based on that, you can select a book in the physiology. Okay. So this is all about the general view of my individual on the selection of the books. So again I say, in the physiology, for the medical students, the Guyton and Gannon is a gold standard book. There is no replacement. But as per the CBME, अगर उसको आपको शॉर्टकट या नोट्स बेस में जाना है, then Indian author books are available, and from that you can select the among 3 ones, GK Pal, Hindu Khurana and AK Jains. This is for the theory syllabus. This is for the theory syllabus. I also explain out of the 3 or 4 or 5 choices, among the choices, how to select the book for your thoroughly reading. Then you can choose the 1 chapter or 2 chapters and just refer that chapter from all the 3 books and compare the presentation, graphics, pages, language, etc. And then you can select the book. Okay. But if you want to ask me, what is your choice? My choice is the GK Pal Physiology. Okay, it is one of the gold standard books in terms of the content, in terms of the learning objectives is given, very good graphics, figures, and content is mostly derived from the Guyton and Gannon. So this is one of the best book as per the CBME standards. Okay. So for the theory syllabus, we have 3 choices. For the practical syllabus, we have, again there are 3 or 4 choices. Number 1, there is a L. Prakashan Reddy. Number 2, there is a AK Jain manual practical. Third one is a GK Pal. Fourth one is a CL Guy. Is again very good books. Okay, so we have basically 4 choices in the practical syllabus in physiology for the medical students. So again, I personally recommend this book is very good. L. Prakashan Reddy is there are human practical are given, clinical, experimental, graphics, images are very good. Also there is a case based learning, problem based learning. Also there are sportings, calculations. Okay, so these are the extra features which you can find in the L. Prakashan Reddy. Otherwise, AK Jain is also good, GK Pal is also good, and CL Guy is also very good books. So these are the books for the practical syllabus. So basically, Guyton and Gannon, there is a gold standard books. For the theory syllabus, you can choose the either from the GK Pal or Indu Kurana or AK Jain, and from the practical syllabus for L Prakashan Reddy, AK Jain, GK Pal and CL Guy. Also, I advise to the students go for the latest edition and not use the old books. Always use the latest edition of the books. Okay. So based on that, you can choose the best book for your needs. Okay. So this is all about the today's session. Thank you very much.